Okay, we're unboxing the Eastwood TIG 200 AC/DC welder. And neither of us have ever TIG welded before.
So here we
We'll
go.
see what it does.
New adventures.
But as far as opening the box goes, this product comes with, even comes with a little face shield.
Wow, look at that.
Ooh. I don't use that.
It's pretty decent looking.
It's good. It's half the price of the, the real name.
Yeah, whatever that name might be.
Yeah, whichever one you choose.
Yeah, I think this was
bad.
on eBay. I got it. They seem to have a better deal on eBay. Hose.
Yep, because they give you all the gas stuff too. You ready to go with that? Boom.
Gauges.
Yep.
I think there's a big deal about flow meters too, but I don't think we got that.
It's, it looks a little more fragile than if you're buying a Miller or something, or a Lincoln or a Hobart, but.
Well, how long have we had our, what size is that Miller we have, that MIG welder?
Oh, the 140?
140.
We've had that for at least 15 years. It's
Auto
been
set, and
a great welder.
that thing's been a tank for years.
Yep.
And we don't weld every day, but we do weld a lot. I don't know, we've done a lot with that. But the reason we got this is just because tri-gas is so expensive, and we need tri-gas to weld stainless nice. And we got this stainless, we're gonna build some railings. So we needed some way to stick these in argon. That argon tank was 50 bucks, whereas the tri-gas was 300. So I got thinking, man, that gets me almost halfway. One tank gets me halfway to the price of the TIG,
We got an adapter plug.
So we can plug it in.
And go 110 with it.
Oh, wow.
Or 220 it looks like. We'll run on either.
Nice.
We'll look more into that.
Our 220 plugs are the 50 amp 3-wire plugs. So I don't think that works. Does it or does it? I don't know. Oh. Yeah, plug right in. Look, Con.
Plug right into our fifth. Oh, nice.
I think it's the same. So we can plug in. We've got this spot here.
Yep.
We have another spot at the other side of the garage.
Now here's the pedal.
Yeah, pedal.
Boom.
So there's all kinds of peculiarities about TIG welding, like ramping up while you're welding and all kinds of stuff. So, yeah.
Things to learn. Okay.
I sure will just be flying through beautiful, what do they call them? Running dimes?
Yeah, laying down.
Laying dimes?
Yep.
Yeah. 15, 20 minutes.
Ooh,
Ooh, look, we got a cute little blue package.
Ooh, what could it be?
I don't know. Maybe it's lunch.
Just keeps getting more and more exciting.
Maybe I think about lunch too much. Hey, it matches your shirt too.
Ah, there we go.
What's that?
It's the wand.
Ooh.
Wand and parts.
So there's all kinds of different cups, tips, all kinds of stuff we're gonna learn.
Yep. So we plug electric.
Ah, no
plug
tungsten
gas.
in there. Do we get tungsten?
Boom.
Oh, we've got
Like
expendables.
this.
Ooh, look at that. A green and a red, so that must be stop and go.
Cool. Looks like a full kit.
Nice.
Looks like you could pretty much get started.
Well, that was the beauty of it. Admitted novices don't need to be monkeying around going to the shelf and picking everything off. It's supposed to be a whole kit. An Eastwood, I don't know. You got that? What's the name of that stripper tool you got
Yeah.
from Eastwood?
It's got like an acronym name.
SERM or something?
Yeah,
SRM?
something like that. But it's a
SCM?
giant drum stripper.
That drum stripper.
That
That
works
works
pretty
great.
good.
So it's got variable speed, works good. It's been holding up. We haven't stripped a whole lot with it yet, but we've done some stuff and it's
No,
holding up.
we used it on the last railings we made to polish up the welds and just clean up the rails, and it did a great job of that.
Yeah.
Give it a nice brushed look, and it was quick.
Yeah.
So we'll be using that again. That kind of paid for the tool already.
It kind of
doing
did,
that.
yeah.
So
All right. I guess we'll monkey with this a little bit and come back with some results.
Let's see how this guy does it.
Yeah, the TIG's right out of the box, but guess what we're going to refer to?
YouTube.
The old standby, YouTube. Get on there and see what other people do.
Yeah,
but actually, it doesn't look too bad. It's almost like torch welding. And what we got is a couple sample welds there, and I ran a little wire wheel over it. It's shining up like, you know, grounded off. Yeah, they're not. You just got to get so you're doing a beat. It's a little tall, too. Maybe if you move a little faster, I don't know. Kind of gray. That's what I'm wondering about, is the gray. Huh. Anyway, the machine seems to be working okay. Plus it gives you a little chart on top to kind of get you started. Giving a guide. I don't know if you'll be able to read it, but it's got, yep, there's got the whole tungsten color, what color tungsten you're using. It gives you material thickness and polarity and amperage, filler metal diameter. Yeah. Oh, like out of the box, not a bad little machine, huh, Connor?
Yeah.
We'll see if it holds up.
As far as I know.
Yeah.
I have to give it a 6-month review.
Yeah, we could do that.
Yep. Imagine the cleaner you have things, the better. That's usually the case of things.
All right, so let's see. This is the first one, right, Con?
Yeah, first one, and I was still using filler. I put them right together. I didn't leave a gap, and I was still using a little bit of filler, so there's a little more build-up, but it got hotter because I had to be on it longer.
Well, I wired it off and it cleaned right up.
Yeah, it looks good.
You do see a little blue there and stuff, but
But then I realized I don't really need the filler. I can just blend the two metals together if they're up tight, and it really is.
yeah, that looks pretty good.
It's like you're just zipping them together. It's
Pretty awesome.
yeah. So
So it looks like we found our solution for welding stainless steel railings
yeah.
without tri-gas.
Yep. And same thing for the.
Let's go with the
barbecue
MIG,
equipment,
or the
so-
TIG. I'm sorry, what's that?
Same thing with the barbecue equipment.
Yeah, because I'm going to have to build another cooker.
And just melt the stuff together. You want to have nice clean joints, obviously. I think that's key. When I was monkeying around with this stuff, I didn't really clean it. But,
Oh, that, yeah.
my first couple of practices.
Yeah, just a little playing around though.
Yeah. It's kind of interesting because you get it close to the metal to start it, and then it seems as if you back the tungsten tip away, you get a larger, hotter flame going. So I don't know if that's actually the case or what, but that's what I'm finding. So you got to get that right distance and then just lead it along, just like they say.
You zipped it right on. So did you do that all in one pass each side, or did you?
That's one pass and that's one pass, and then that guy's two passes. You can see where
You can see it.
Again.
You can see where the puddle started over again.
So I did a half inch to see how it was, but
But it looks like the one pass didn't get it too hot either.
no, because I went so fast.
You just zipped right across it.
Just go right across it. Just drag it right through.
Nice.
So you could do a hammer test to see if it really holds, but I think it's.
You ain't breaking that off. That's for what we're doing.
Yep.
That's not breaking off. Okay, so we got to still chamfer these holes a little bit.
Got two more to do. Chamfer some holes, and these are made up.
All right, I'm going to go to chamfering. Well, kind of likes the Eastwood MIG, or TIG, sorry. Found that he can weld these stainless steel, these are going to be uprights for a stainless steel rail. That weld, to me, looks pretty decent. I mean, you know, not bad for a guy picking up a TIG torch this morning and just going, like in a matter of a couple practice runs, getting it where he can lay a nice little bead down like that. I mean, that looks pretty good to me. That one ain't bad either. So that was a little trial and error, but we got it. He got it dialed in. It does tell you, here's the practice pieces. And he added filler rod a lot of these. This is without any filler rod, so you don't need the filler metal for some things you're doing. So this, yeah, it seems to be a nice little machine. It's got the chart up top that tells you a bunch of things. It's got a foot pedal too. We don't even know how to use that. Didn't unpack that yet. He just used the thumb control. Yeah, he said it thinks it works pretty good, the TIG 200 from Eastwood. The only thing that's silly is this thing. What are you going to do with that? And it's a shade 10. Somewhere's in there he said he read it needs a, for certain welding you need a shade 11. So really just, probably just save the $6 is what I would tell Eastwood Marketing, save the $6 this thing, or whatever it cost. 7, I don't know. Don't bother, knock that off the price and just sell the nice little welder without this stupid piece of junk. Anyway, yeah, like it.